Start. Indian judiciary is one of the most efficient judicial systems in the world. Stop. The judiciary derives its powers from the Constitution of India. Stop. The existence of courts is required to check the misuse of the powers conferred by the legislature or the executive. Stop. The Indian judiciary is the guardian of the Constitution of India, along with being a custodian of the fundamental rights of the citizens. Stop para. The judiciary is well established with quite a lengthy and complex hierarchy of courts. Stop. The judicial system has been established in such a way so that it caters the need of each and every person of the country. Stop. The judicial system in India is in the form of a pyramid, with the Supreme Court being at the top of the hierarchy. Stop. The hierarchy has been created in a manner that it is possible for a person even from a remote area to approach the courts to get their disputes resolved. Stop. The system is well equipped to deal with the issues of the union as well as state laws. Stop para. Section 9 of the CRPC talks about the establishment of the Sessions Court. Stop. The state government establishes the Sessions Court, which has to be presided by a judge appointed by the High Court. Stop. The High Court appoints additional as well as assistant sessions judges. Stop. The Court of Sessions ordinarily sits at such place or places as ordered by the High Court. Stop. But in any particular case, if the Court of Session is of the opinion that it will have to cater to the convenience of the parties and witnesses, it shall preside its sittings at any other place, after the consent of the prosecution and the accused. Stop. According to Section 10 of the CRPC, the assistant sessions judges are answerable to the sessions judge. Stop para. The additional / assistant sessions judge are appointed by the High Court of a particular state. Stop. They are responsible for cases relating to murders, theft, dacoity, pickpocketing and other such cases. In case of absence of the sessions judge. Stop. In every district, which is not a metropolitan area, there shall be as many as judicial magistrates of first class and of second class. Stop. The presiding officers shall be appointed by the High Courts. Stop. Every judicial magistrate shall be subordinate to the sessions judge. Stop